Hi friends, welcome once again to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 23rd April 2020. Now we'll see for the trade plan for tomorrow, that is 24th April 2020. Straight away we'll go to the technical chart, Nifty spot technical chart, and we'll see how the trade plan for tomorrow, that is 24th April. Friends, this is the Nifty spot chart. This what we explained yesterday video for today's trade plan. This is our entry at 9216 and keeping a stop loss at 9162, and our target is 9330. So today it achieved our trading target, and morning it opened here and went down. This is a 15 minutes candle chart. First 15 minutes, if you see, this is the price action, and after 15 minutes this is the trade. So previous day high above we are buying and keeping a stop loss below this candle low, and we kept a target as this one, 9330. So today it achieved that. So what about tomorrow, that is 24th April 2020. So for that we'll directly go to the daily chart and we'll see how we can trade tomorrow and how is the trade setup and how the Nifty may perform tomorrow. We'll see now. This is the Nifty daily chart. So if you see the trend, the intermediate or medium term trend is up, even though long term trend is down. The present trend is up. This is the trend line. The trend line is giving a decent support. So tomorrow, if you see the gap yesterday and today, totally the gap is filled. There is no gap here. So only the gap is here now on the upside. There is no downside gaps. So we have to see this gap fills in a couple of days or maybe 1 month or so. We don't know exactly. But in coming days, if the same trend continues, this gap will be filled. So time now we'll see how the retracement is working. So from here, this is the actual drop. So the retracement, first level 23.6 and second level is 38.2. This is a, if you observe this candles, this is consolidating in particular zone on a few days. So tomorrow we have to see if the price closes above this candle, that is 9390 on a closing basis. If Nifty closes above this level, there is a high probability of going upside up to the level of 50%, that is 9878. So only thing is, if you see 9400, we can say roughly 9400, and we can expect a 400 point upside in a coming few days, not on a one day. It may take some days. So this way we can trade, and we can trade on the long side, keeping a stop loss below today's low, and we'll see in between we get some confirmations and some swing lows. Then time we can see the positional stop losses where we can put it. But presently the trend is up. Buy on dips. Only positional buy is only if the price closes above this candle, that is 9390. So today also the price closed below this line, that 9320. Today closing is 9313. So it is not crossed. Probably tomorrow, if the trend continues, we can expect some more rally. Otherwise there could be some consolidation in the today's total price. That means the 9,100 to 9,300. That 300 points consolidation may happen tomorrow if the price sustains. If any side breakout, that will give another 150 points. So we'll see the 15 minutes chart and we'll have a trade plan for tomorrow. Yeah, this is the 15 minutes chart. This is the trade plan yesterday we put it. I'm removing this plan and we'll see where I'll remove all the tools. Okay, now this is a 15 minute chart. This is today's trade. So the probability the price will open within the range tomorrow. I'm expecting that. If the price opens in between today high and low, there is a chance of getting long here. So we can enter here 9,263 and 9,237. In between we can have a entry somewhere here. Okay, so 9,250 we can say, and keeping a stop loss of this is a stop loss, and aim a target this you can keep it as a target. That means almost 1:2. Yeah, 1:2 target. This is one type of trade setup for tomorrow. If price goes down, the demand is here. All the way can take demand is here. So we are not going to buy. If the price opens below today's low and price is going down, we are not going to buy until it touches here 8,980. This kind of levels we can take some support and it may bounce. So only important thing is, if this scenario works out, this is a good trade for tomorrow. If opens above today's high, wait for 45 minutes, let the 3 candles should form, 15 minutes 3 candles, and then we can take a decision. First 15 minutes and second 15 minutes candle formation will give you some direction. On that direction only we have to take the trade. Now we'll see the Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart, and yesterday we discussed about this gap. Today what happened, we'll see either a gap is filled or not. This is almost filled the gap. This is 20,440 and today high is 20,356. Yesterday I explained in the video, if the price opens above this level or sustained to above this level, we can go for a long, and this can be our target. So that way today Bank Nifty also given a decent profit. So how the tomorrow trade we'll see. So if you see the Bank Nifty retracement, so it sustained above 23.6%. Now if the momentum is up, if you see the trend line, the short term momentum is up. So this way it may test 21,800 in a couple of days or maybe 1 or 2 days. So is there any small dip, we can buy and we can keep a stop loss below this candle, that is 19,000, and we can aim for a target of 21,800. So this way we can have a Bank Nifty setup, And we'll see for the intraday setup for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Almost a similar setup as Nifty for Bank Nifty also. If the price opens in between and takes support here, we can go for a long. This is 19,900 and 19,960 and 19,910. So in between we can go for a long. The stop loss will be below here. This is the stop loss, and we can aim for a target this area. So here also 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So this way for tomorrow's setup, if the price opens above this and sustained above, we can go for a long and keep a target somewhere here. So this we can keep it as a target. So 20,900. If sustains above this today's high, today high is 20,350. So that way Bank Nifty trade setup for tomorrow. Yeah, this stock for tomorrow and also for the positional. Alembic Pharma, that NSE code APLLTD. This is the Alembic Pharma. Today the decent candle. Tomorrow we have to watch. Tomorrow we have to see the price action. If price trades above today high, that is 710, and sustains, then there is a high probability of testing 768. Why 768? If you see, this is the decent rally, small correction, again rally. So this extension of the rally, 61.8% is 768 rupees. So any dip, intraday dip, can be bought and aim for a target of 768. For intraday setup, we will see the 15 minutes candle. This is the 15 minutes candle chart. See, this is morning candle, and after consolidation, the breakout. So if any chance tomorrow small correction takes place, the best place to buy is here. So 665, 659, this is the area where we can enter, right? And keeping a stop loss below today's low, and aim for a target. If you are an intraday trader, you can book your target here. If you are a positional trader, you can aim for 768 as your target. So that way you can trade Alembic Pharma, right? This is Alembic Pharma. So this stock, yesterday we discussed about Z Limited. Today it has given a decent profit. After opening morning, it has given a decent profit. So every day we will discuss about one stock and Nifty and Bank Nifty. Friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you.